Hi, in this video we'll be talking about string literals. We can use single, double or triple quotes for string literals. We use single quotes if we need double quotes inside the string. Have a look. Print, he said, and here we have double quotes inside the string. Here's the output. He said, open quote, help me, close quote. We can also use single quotes inside single quotes, but then they must be escaped with a backslash. Have a look. Here we have single quotes inside single quotes. Text. And here we have it. We use double quotes if we need single quotes or apostrophes inside the string. So, here we have apostrophes inside the string. And here's the output. We can also use double quotes inside double quotes, but then they must be escaped with a backslash. Here's the example. Double quotes inside double quotes. Now, here you can see the difference between echoing a string and printing it. Watch the quotes in the output. So first, let's echo the string. Now let's print the string. As you can see, here, when echoing the string, the output is in quotes, whereas here, when printing the string, it's not. We use triple quotes if the string must span more than one line. These may be triple double quotes or triple single quotes. Let's have a look at triple double quotes first. Text equals. These are triple double quotes. Let's print it out. As you can see, this string spans several lines. And now let's have the same example with triple single quotes. So, triple single quotes. And let's print text. The output is the same. So here we're printing the string. And now what happens if we just echo the string? Let's have a look. Text. Well, this time all the special characters are printed. Newline, Newline, and so on. Using triple quotes for strings that do not span multiple lines is also possible, however, not very common. Have a look. Here we're using triple quotes, although this text doesn't span multiple lines. Let's print it out. We can just echo it like this. Fine. Or with triple single quotes. The same. Inside triple quotes, we can use both single and double quotes. Let's have a look at this. Now here, inside triple quotes, we have double and single quotes. Here's an apostrophe, for example. Fine. And let's now print the string out. So it works. If there are special characters inside the triple quotes, they work as they should. If there is a Newline character, a Newline is inserted. If there is a Newline character at the end of the line, two Newlines are inserted. One because it's the end of the line anyway, the other because of the Newline character. This happens after the word special in the following text. So, Newline character, and here, after special, we have the Newline character, and it's also the end of the line. So now watch what happens if we print it out. Fine. We get a new line after to, here, after how, here, and two new lines after special. We can use the backslash character at the end of the line within strings enclosed in triple quotes to prevent the end of line from taking effect. Have a look. So here we have backslashes at the end of the line. Now watch what happens if we print it out. So these Newline characters are now ignored. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.